Discover Yuantuo's complete steel ball heart. Rolling equipment, a specialized heat treatment solution for manufacturing high carbon steel balls. This turnkey system includes material storage racks, conveyor mechanisms, advanced induction heating, power supplies and coils, as well as steel ball rolling, mills and quenching units, enabling efficient automated production. High carbon steel billets are rapidly heated via induction heating before entering the rolling mill for fast shaping and immediate quenching. This process significantly enhances steel ball hardness, greatly improving wear, resistance, and service life. Yuantuo's equipment is widely applied in the steel smelting industry and is Aki technology for ensuring steel ball quality and performance. Choose Yuantuo to achieve efficient, stable heart rolling and quenching production of steel balls. Contact us to learn more about customized heat treatment equipment and expert technical support.